RNAct, enabling proteins for synthetic biology and bioanalytics.
Hi, my name is Rishikesh Dhonge, ESR number 3. I am doing my PhD at CNRS under the affiliation of University of Lorraine in Nancy. I am from India, which is rich in culture and states. I belong to Maharashtra state and my mother tongue is Marathi. I am fluent in English, Hindi and Marathi. I like to play video games and read novels in my free time. I have completed my bachelor's in bioinformatics from MGM's College of CS and IT, Nanded in India. Then I joined Center for Bioinformatics, Pondicherry University for Masters in Bioinformatics. During the Masters, I also did an internship at Bose Institute, Kolkata, where I worked on whole genome sequencing data of Mycobacterium tuberculosis. For my master's thesis, I worked on DNA-based data storage systems. During these courses, I got experience in different computational analysis workflows and handled various types of data, which gave me an advantage for my doctoral thesis. Currently, I am enrolled as PhD student at CNRS under the affiliation of University of Lorraine, Nancy. I am also part of the CAPSEED team. The team's major activities focus on two different themes. The first one is computational modeling of protein-protein interactions, which includes protein docking and molecular dynamic simulations. And the other one is classifying and mining protein structures and interactions, which includes knowledge discovery in biological databases. I will be working on the verge of both of these axes. Within the RNAct consortium, my project focuses on the molecular dynamic studies of complexes of RRM and RNA, along with the creation of complete and comprehensive database for RRM information. Until the end of the thesis, the access to this database will be limited to RNAct members. All ESRs can access the database and retrieve the information as per their needs. Towards the end of the thesis, the resulting information from experimental as well as computational ESRs will also be stored in the database. With ESR 4 ANA, I will be working on the pipeline to design single-strand RNA and RRM complexes.
RNAct. To learn more about this project and its progress, you can follow us on several social media channels, with all the relevant information available at www.rnact.eu.